Little storyteller.
A forgotten bag of colorful gummy bears lay on a kitchen counter, the moonlight painting stripes across its clear plastic. As the first rays of sun peeked through the window, something magical happened. A little red gummy bear, round and cheerful, blinked its candy eyes open. Squeaked the red gummy bear. It wobbled a bit on its tiny feet and looked around. Next to it, a yellow gummy bear, with a wide smile, and a green gummy bear, with curious eyes, were also waking up. Soon, all the gummy bears in the bag were wide awake. The yellow gummy bear pointed a sticky paw. "Look, the counter is so big." The green gummy bear tilted its head. "Let's explore." And so, the little gummy bears tumbled out of the bag and onto the smooth, light brown countertop. The red gummy bear had an idea. "Let's build houses." The other gummy bears giggled with excitement. They found dropped crumbs of sugar and used them like tiny bricks. The yellow gummy bear carefully placed a flat piece of dried frosting as a roof. Soon, little colorful houses dotted the countertop. The green gummy bear found a long, thin candy string and suggested, "Let's make a road." Carefully, they unrolled the string, making a wiggly path between their new homes. The gummy bears were so happy in their tiny civilization. They waved to each other from their candy houses and walked along the string road. They learned that by working together, even little gummy bears could build something wonderful. Just then, a little girl skipped into the kitchen. She saw the scattered gummy bears and their tiny creations. "Oh, how cute," she whispered, carefully gathering them up. As she placed them back in the bag, she noticed how each gummy bear was a different color and shape. This showed her that even though they were all different, they could still work together and be friends.
Please subscribe. Thank you.